Hello everyone, now I'll guide you through the all lock screen settings on your Redmi 13. So first of all, open up your settings, find your lock screen tab right here. So first of all, we can find raise to wake, which you can enable to make your device to wake up when it's lifted, or double tap to wake, or to turn off the screen when the device is locked, which is really cool. You can enable or disable lock screen notifications. You can choose your sleep time, of course. You can choose whether to launch camera by double pressing the volume down or no. And the last but not least, you can turn on and off your wallpaper carousel. So simply tap on it, press agree, and basically that's it. If you want to turn it off, simply press turn on, confirm no thanks, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.